The CRL network at the moment has all its signalling system been installed, but it hasn't been integrated into our wider network yet, and that's what we will be looking to do during Matariki weekend. So what that means is essentially we will then bring the CRL tunnel signalling system knitted into at Britomart and Mount Eden, and that means that the full network then is part of our network and all the data changes that go with it. And that's a significant step for the project itself, because that means one of the key management systems and safety systems will be put into the network. Yeah, so one of the real key challenges that we're always facing is when we're looking to integrate some of our new systems into the old, and we can always go back and we can have a look through our old systems, how they work and everything, but obviously when you're bringing those new systems in, you can only do so much modelling and so much sort of testing up front. At some stage you do actually have to cross it over and cut it in and so on, and most of the time that works seamlessly, but there are times where we do find unexpected issues and they crop up, and our teams are pretty experienced in how to manage those, and we obviously got good communications with the likes of AT and Auckland One Rail around how we're going to manage that going forward.